Hi, my name is Jessica, and today I want to show you the Aeolus International Pet Products TD906 Standing Dryer and TD905 Wall-Mounted Dryer. The TD906 is a gentle yet powerful dryer. This dryer is a favorite among salon and mobile pet groomers around the world. It gives the groomer the ability to execute a hands-free fluff drying of their pets. This ionic stand finishing dryer boasts a Japanese-made heavy-duty 1 HP fan, air-cooled brushless motor, reliable heating element, and adjustable airflow. Each grooming dryer has 2 adjustable knobs. The adjustable heating element on this grooming dryer has a temperature range of 77 Fahrenheit to 167 Fahrenheit. The double-layer hosing on the heating element prevents this dryer from any risk of overheating. In order to accommodate all cats and dogs, we have added a variable airspeed knob, which reaches 38 meters per second. Advanced tourmaline brushes generate negative ions that help contain internal cuticle moisture, tame unruly hair, and straighten curly coats. Negative ions also help in purifying the air and creating a healthy environment for you and the pets you groom. The TD906 grooming dryer features a metal stand that has been powder coated for longevity and durability. It sits on lockable caster wheels that allow you to traverse your workspace easily to get every angle needed while grooming. The TD905 wall-mounted dryer, much like the stand dryer, boasts the same features. One of the biggest differences in this dryer is that it can mount upon any wall in your salon. If you're one of the many salon owners with limited space, the TD905 is the dryer for you. Our favorite feature of these dryers is how extremely quiet they are. At full power, they do not go above 40 decibels. The TD906 and the TD905 come in these great colors: swan white, cardinal red, flamingo pink, and raven black. For additional information on these dryers, visit us at www.aeoluspet.com or follow us on social media @AeolusPet. We look forward to setting you and your business up for success.